In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Acuity scheduling. Let's dive right in and transform your scheduling page into a sleek, branded extension of your business that showcases your unique style. First things first, log into your Acuity scheduling account at acuityscheduling.com. Once you've arrived at your dashboard, you'll notice the main menu conveniently located on the left side of your screen. From here, we'll guide you through each step to craft a page that not only meets your functional needs, but also presents your business in a polished, professional manner. Next, let's navigate over to your client's scheduling page and then click on Customize Appearance. This is the creative part where you get the opportunity to shape how your clients perceive your business at first sight by personalizing the booking page to reflect your brand. Under the section Colors and Style, you'll have several options to play with. Feel free to change your background color, adjust text and button colors, and choose a font style that mirrors your business's character. You'll be able to preview these changes in real time on the right side of the screen, allowing you to see exactly how your changes affect the overall look before committing to them. Scrolling down a bit further, you'll come across the option to add your business logo or header image. Click on Upload Image and select your logo or banner from your computer. Adding a logo not only brands your booking page, but also contributes a sense of ownership and professionalism that clients will appreciate. Now let's shift our focus to the text and layout section. This is where you can craft a warm welcome message or include specific instructions at the top of your booking page. Something straightforward like, "Welcome, please select a service and choose your preferred date and time," can make a significant impact by humanizing your interaction with clients right from the start. To enhance the visual layout, you can choose between classic view or modern view depending on your design preferences. Each gives a distinct feel, so select the one that best aligns with your overall brand aesthetic. In addition, we'll want to customize your confirmation and reminder emails. Head back to the left menu, click on Email Settings, then select Client Email Templates. Here, you have the power to tailor the email messages that greet your clients after booking, canceling, or rescheduling. Including your business name or a friendly message can make these communications feel more personal and inviting. For a cohesive look that spans all your pages, apply your brand's colors across the site. Simply go to Business Settings and then to Branding to bring all your visual elements together. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and feels, don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom of each page. You can always click Preview Scheduling Page for a final overview before sharing it with your audience. Finally, your booking page is ready. Copy the link and share it through your website, email signature, or social media channels. Your Acuity scheduling page is now clean, branded, and professional, ready to give clients a seamless booking experience that reflects the heart and soul of your business. Remember, simplicity and consistency with your brand colors is key, and embedding your scheduling page into your website can further enhance the user experience. Thank you for joining us, and happy customizing!